Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hell, middle of the night. I don't know what it is for you when you're watching this video, but this is the oak tree we're going to take down here today. It's pretty crispy, Dad. You guys probably saw previously, this is the oak tree we took down. I didn't get it on video, but we used it to rig that pine tree over there off the wood line. So you guys probably remember seeing that video, but this is the next project here. We're going to get this down and then haul out all this wood here, and we're going to be done. So thanks for coming along with us. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you at the top. Well, YouTube, I'm like working my way through the thicket here. When I get through this thicket, I'll see you at the top. All right, YouTube, so that was quite of a crash and bash. There were so many twigs and oh, it's awful. So we didn't even want to bring you guys along through that, but we are up here at the top. You can see we got the tie-in set. Got a lot of that slashed off. You can see how congested it was right down here, okay? I mean, it was congested. These trees have been topped before, and we all know what happens when trees grow back. Sucker Central! So we'll catch you guys here. We're gonna rig some of this off down over that old barn there. So we'll get to the roping. Ready? Alright. Ready? It's gonna be heavy. Use that trunk. Yep. Alright, there's a birdhouse there, okay? So just choke it off over that birdhouse. On this rope. Ready? Got old 20-mile-an-hour winds today, YouTube. It's pretty vicious. I am ready on this one.
job.
Gosh, damn it. Broke a limb. Well, that's that, YouTube. We got her done. That's the last little bit on the top there, and that's the last little bit on the bottom there. We're gonna pull this puppy over. Before we do that, we're gonna take some lunch. We'll get back to you guys in just a minute. If you guys like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.